Hi Year 5s, I think I'm on about attempt number 9 of videoing this lesson. I've had my phone go off, I've had thunder interrupt it, the sound. I've realised I've had the answer slides before the questions and all sorts, so can we all please have our fingers crossed that I get through this one smoothly. Right, in today's lesson we're learning about volume. So, volume is the amount of 3D space that an object occupies or takes up. It's measured in cubic units. The volume of a figure is measured in number of cubes required to fill it completely. So, if we think of those blue little deans that represent ones, that are 1 centimetres cubed that we use at school, to fill up this shape, we would have 4 of those little cubes lined up along here. There would be 2 rows like that, so we would do 4 multiplied by 2, and then there are 3 layers that are identical to that, so it would be 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is 24. And because it's in centimetres, our answer is going to be centimetres cubed. So that's a little 3 there. I'm aware that this one's blurry, sorry. Now, this formula, length times height times depth, equals volume, is only one that can be used for cubes and cuboids, so just be aware of that. With these questions you can actually work out the volumes just by counting the cubes. So which of these solids have the same volume, and there's more than one answer for that, so have a go at seeing if you can spot that, and then select 2 of the solids that have different volumes and compare these. Again, it would be good to do lots of different possibilities for that question. So A, C and D have a volume of 4. If they were centimetres cubes, then it would be, our answer would be in centimetre cubes, so 4 centimetre cubed. And B and E both have a volume of 5. When you were comparing these and finding the difference, you'd have done the larger amount to take away the smaller amount. For example, the difference between D and F, we're going to have 4 take away 3, which is 1, so D is 1 cube bigger than F. If we compare G and F, we've got 6 cubes take away 3 cubes, so G is 3 cubes bigger than F. Okay, so now you need to find the solid that occupies the most space, the least space, the ones with the same volume, and then one of those occupies 4 times the amount of 1 cube. Hopefully you found that E had the most space, B took up the least space, A and C have the same volume, and D has the 4 times the amount of space of 1 little cube. So, here, can you find the volume of this cuboid? It measures 6 centimetres by 2 centimetres by 4 centimetres. For question 3, you need to visualise the cuboid that would have measurements of 5 centimetres by 2 centimetres by 3 centimetres. You could draw a little jotting of this if it helps you visualise the shape. Hopefully you worked out that for question 2 it's 48 centimetres cubed, and for 3 it's 30 centimetres cubed. Right, the final question, we're nearly there. This is actually just an extension task. Oh, I've still got a little sneaky reminder in there. I'm going to leave that one and let it go. So this is just an extension task for those that feel ready for an extra challenge. So you need to fill in the missing numbers in this table. So if we know the length, the width and the height, you can use that to work out the volume. If we've got the length missing, how could you work that out? Now you could do the width times the height, so for this example 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Then if you did the volume, 60 divided by 12, it would give us this answer here. Here are the answers for the extension task. Right, we've made it through another lesson. Well done, everybody. Remember to email one example of your maths and your English through from the week, and we look forward to seeing what you've got done.